Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step how to create an account on Invideo AI. Let's start then. Open your browser on your computer and type Invideo AI in the search field. By opening a new page, click on Invideo AI. Turn ideas into videos, AI Video Creator, and open the page. When the page opens, click on the Sing Up option in the upper right corner. By clicking on the Sing Up option and opening a new page, you can notice that there are several fields on the left side. In the field where it says Email, enter your email address and click on Create Code. You will receive a code in your email that you will enter in this field. And then click Create again. If you are already logged in to Google or Apple, it is enough to choose from these two fields, and your account will be created automatically. That's it. Now you're ready to start using Invideo AI and explore its many features. If you liked the video, please like us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Invideo AI tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.